This is kind of a counterattack drills that we're going to work on right now. So we're going to work first against a front kick, a rear leg front kick. So we're both standing in an open fighting stance. Austin has me. Bobby, for you stand. Okay, you got Chile. And take fighting position. So now from here, me and Austin, and I like to use these because these make great targets. At the same time, I can use this to punch without hurting my partner. Okay, so this is a good one to wear, and sometimes we do a lot of sparring by wearing these in class. So over here when we do sparring, Lottie, Austin, other students, they all wear this, and we spar. So you can learn to block with this also, and also sometimes we offer this as targets, different targets, and then we can also, if they're open somewhere, smack a nice punch with this, tell them where they're open. So it kind of works pretty good. Okay, I love these pads. Okay, so here we're both in fighting stance. Austin from here throws a front kick. So as soon as he throws a front kick, I'm actually moving out of the way. But here I'm in fighting stance. Okay, from here, boom, I can throw in a lunge punch. Okay, so right from there, we're in fighting stance. Austin throws front kick, boom, lunge punch, pow, reverse punch after that. Okay, so we're walking in and we're throwing two punches. Okay, a lunge and a reverse. Same thing, then I'm going to throw the kick. Austin's going to move out of the way. As he's throwing, make contact, lunge punch, and boom, reverse punch. Okay. So we're going to do that, okay? So we're going to stand here and don't make very heavy contact. Just, I mean, his even heavy contact is like a fly sitting on my body. Go, you hard contact in my body. Body. Okay, come on, let's go. So right from here, he throws a front kick, and then you go one at a time. So the kick comes in. As soon as you see the kick coming, where are you kicking there? Where am I standing? Your kick should be here, Austin. Okay, kick comes in, house, and you are actually diving in. Okay, you're diving in, make a very fast dive in, and then you throw those two punches. Okay, so but when you begin slow. Kick comes in, move here. Here you're already, stand there. Go back. So when he kicks it, as he's got his guard up, that's fine. If he doesn't have a guard up, it's still fine. Even if he's got his hand, punch his freaking hand. Okay? So, right from here, kick comes in, you stepping out. As soon as you're stepping out, bam. You throw in your lunge punch, wow, reverse punch, one after the other against the front kick. Front kick comes in, step out, you don't even really have to block. Okay, so right from there, front kick comes in, bam, bam, reverse punch. And that's how you practice moving your hands against kicks. Now say, Austin, switch your stance, Austin. We're going to work same thing against a roundhouse kick. Okay, we're going to work these two techniques today, okay? Just two techniques. Throw me the roundhouse kick with the back leg. So instead of blocking, throw. Instead of blocking and throwing counterattack, here we're going to work on the hands. So we're setting fighting stance. Austin throws roundhouse kick, same thing. I move out, Austin kicks a failure, boom, boom, and he walks into my punches. Get that side, Austin. Switch your leg. Now we're in an open fighting stance. Austin throws rear leg roundhouse kick. As he throws it, bam! He walks into my punch. As he walks into my punch, boom, boom. Finish off with another punch. But here, instead of throwing a lunge punch, we're throwing a reverse punch, okay? So Austin kicks in there, and I move in there. I throw my reverse punch. I can even punch his face, because in IPTF, we can do that, but with light contact, not very heavy contact. You guys teaching MMA to your students, I mean, somebody throws a roundhouse kick, teach them this thing and just blast their head off. Just rip their head off right away. Okay, so right here, you're standing over here, you throw a roundhouse kick, wham, wham, left, right, okay? One more time. Kicks in there, boom, boom. And then you can smack the head, and you're moving out of the way, okay? So we're gonna practice these two techniques. All right, start teaching this to your students.